Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to follow up my last video with one quick addition. Was able to get one more day trade in right before market close here, right before the ending bell, about 30 seconds or so actually before the ending bell here. You can see put another limit buy in for 12.53. Didn't quite get down to 12.52, so I thought I'd go ahead and just put in a order for 1 penny more, 12.53. And then I went ahead and sold that off. I wanted to do 12.57, but unfortunately the market just wasn't quite getting up to that point. So put another limit buy in for, or excuse me, a limit sell in for 12.55. And that closed just right before the ending bell. So I made another little day trade there to go along with my two other day trades for today. So I did one day trade with Ford in the morning from 12.52 to 12.55. Followed that up by an AMD day trade from 14.91 to 14.92, just a penny, but picked up $11 there, and then ended the day with another 4-day trade, 12.53 to 12.55. It's another $25 or so. So overall, made about $80 today just with day trading. And you saw one more order I placed as well, another limit sell here at 12.65. This is a stock trade that I picked, 162 stocks I picked up about a week or so ago at 12.64. So I thought I'd go ahead and sell that off with an anticipated pullback tomorrow and try to pick those up a little bit cheaper. So just wanted to update you guys on another day trade I was able to get in today. So 3 day trades, about $80 total. Been doing this for quite some time, and really you don't need to make a lot of money. Some of you have been asking why I sell so early, but it's really hard to predict where the market is going. So when I jumped in at, for example, 12.53, I had no idea if this stock was going to, go up to 12.70 or 12.50 or where the stock was going. It could have trended down, it could have trended up, but if I went from 12.53 to 12.55, made a couple dollars in and out, and then I can use those funds to do the trade again. So even if I miss the absolute nadir here and the absolute peak here, doesn't really matter as long as I'm buying on the dip and selling on the rally. That's really all that matters. Same for a trade I did with AMD as well. So this particular trade, I could have made a lot more money, but unfortunately it's very difficult to anticipate when you can get in and out of a particular stock. So AMD here, I bought in at 14.91 this morning and then sold off at 14.92. I didn't really keep that stock at all. About a minute or two I kept that stock, but basically scalped about $11 or so. And yeah, I could have held through $15, but a little bit risky. That could have trended down to 14.75. Would have lost quite a bit of money, and I would have had to hold this stock for quite some time, which is something I didn't want to do. I wanted to get in and get out, make a little bit of a profit. So I did that. Yes, opportunity cost, I guess, was about $150 or so, but I still made some money, got in and out. I could use funds for that other later 4-day trade. So just wanted to update you guys on my day trades today. Like I said, I did 2 this morning that I put a video out on, and then this is the update video with that last Ford trade right before the closing bell. So let me know if you guys have been trading both Ford and AMD. I know a lot of you guys have been making quite a bit of money on AMD. This has been a very, very strong stock. You can see here 70% over the last 3 months. Over the last year, 638%. I actually had held some of this in my E-Trade account about a year or 2 ago. Really wasn't anything going on with the stock back then. $2, $3 range. Wish I would have held onto that stock. I had about $3,000 or $4,000 in AMD, but again, you can't really predict that. Could have went down to $1 just as easily as it went up to $15. So those are my trades for today. Let me know what you guys have been doing. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.